Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in the last video, we had learned about the coordinates, and in today's video, we are going to learn something about pen block. So, pen block actually creates a trail on the stage. When Sprite walks on a stage, a trail is created just like a pen when we draw on the paper. So now, first, let's go to pen block. I'll show you the various commands. So first, let's just take our when green flag clicked as always, and now this when pen down command means when you place the pen down in the paper, then only you can write on the paper. Similarly, when the pen is down, then only the trail can be formed, and when you put a pen up, then the pen gets up and the trail stops to be formed. Now pen should be always down to for the trail. This is very important. Now we can, when you click on this, the pointer starts and you can choose any color. I choose this red color, pen color to this, and now you can choose move 100 steps. Now when you click on the green flag, now you see it moves 100 steps and it's a trail is created. So like this, a trail is created on the stage. You can also change the color, and if you want to change the pen size, you can also change the pen size by 5, or you can increase it to, now see it's a lot thicker. Then if you want to change the pen shade, you can also change its shade. Now see this shade and this shade both are different over here. And now if you want to clear all these lines over here, just click on the clear command. But you won't always be able to click on the clear command. So for that, first let me remove these extra ones. Yes, so for that, first select the clear command and put it over always in the top. So when you click on the green flag, it creates the trail. And now again click on the green flag, then it erases the trail which was here and now brings back a new trail. So this is what I explained you about the pen block. So in the last episode we had learned about the coordinates. So just to show you, I've just got a backdrop of coordinates. Now you can just see it. I know I should have showed you in the last episode, but I didn't get that. So now I'm showing it to you. So now coming back to the topic. Yeah. So using pen block, we are going to create shapes. So as you can see over here, triangle. Uh, the spelling is wrong, but it's triangle. So we are going to create a triangle, just a normal kind of triangle. So you can see the command. If you want, you can write them. I have just created on your own. You can do it on your own. So when green flag is, this flag is clicked, the pen goes down. But if the pen does not go down, the application will not happen properly. Then we can set color to any color you want. I have chosen red. Then we can change any size. Then we can go to 55 minus 32. Now 55 minus 32 is over here. So the sprite will go here as to the motion command as I had teased you, and wait 1 second. After going here you can wait 1 second. It's not compulsory for wait 1 second command. If you wanted to go very fast, you know, don't need to put it wait 1 second, but for your understanding I have put wait 1 second. Then go to 0 x 0 by 65, which is over here. Then again wait 1 second and go back to the original position. So now let us see it. Now see. First it had gone over here, then it waited for 1 second, then gone away, waited for 1 second, then it gone over here. So this is just like a normal having scaling triangle or scaling on a normal triangle. So now we are going to learn how to draw a rectangle with the help of the pen block in Scratch. So as always, pen down any color you want to set. I have set pen size to 10 over here. Now there is a repeat 2 times over here. Though I have not used you the repeat command in this is in the control block, but still I will tell you, repeat is not so complex. Repeat just means that the programs and all the commands inside the repeat over here will just be repeated 2 times. So I will tell you what will happen. So first let's check. Now see, it has created a rectangle over here. I'll tell you how it's created. First it moves 200 steps, then it turns 90 degrees, Then it moves 100 steps and turns 90 degrees. You you know you might be asking that it has moved again 200 steps and 100 degrees, 200 steps and 100 steps. Why haven't I written that? Because it has been repeated two times. So you don't need to write that. If you want to write, you can write that. So this is how you can create a rectangle in the easiest way. So now we are going to learn how to draw an equilateral triangle in pen block. So first, before starting, I want to tell you an important thing. Uh, Here, uh, if you want to create any polygon, listen to my part carefully. If you want to create any polygon in Scratch using pen block, first you need to take the repeat command, which will make your program a little easier. Then count the number of sides. So here there is a triangle, so it has three sides. So 1, 2, 3. We will keep it on repeat 3. Now move the as per you want the length of each side. You can put it 100 steps. You can put it 52 as you wish. And now the now 360 degrees form a circle. Now we have to divide 360 by the repeat over here, the number which will be written over here. So 360 divided by 3 turn 120 degrees. This will give you a perfect polygon. So using this formula, you can create any polygon in pen block. Like if you also want to create a pentagon which has 5 sides, then you have to keep repeat over here 5, then move 100 steps as it is. Then 360 divided by 5 which gives 72 degrees. So it will be 72 degrees over here. So let me run it just to show you. So it moves 100 steps and 120 degrees. So it occurs 3 times so that it forms a triangle which has 3 sides. So now we are going to create a square in Scratch. So as I told before, you have to keep the number of sides within a square. There are 4 sides and 100 steps as it is. 360 divided by 90 degrees. So the same thing if you do by keeping pen down as always, you will get the same shape. This is just easy. Just remember it and you can create any polygon in Scratch. Now you might have been having a little difficulty in doing the circle, but the circle does not have any sides, so the circle has 360 degrees. So first to show you, I'll keep 360 degrees. Move one step and turn 1 degree. Just keep this for now, and then all the pen down. I'll remove the clear. Now you see it is going slowly, and you wanted to make it fast, right? If you honestly, if you want to keep it slow, you can use this command only. Now I clear it. Now if you wanted to move it fast, first you can remove 1 0 over here in 360. So we'll make it 36. And in both the two move steps and turn degrees, we will add 1 0. Move 10 steps and turn 10 degrees. So now when you see it has gone faster. So this is how you can make it faster and you can create a circle in Scratch. Do you I had told you about the pentagon, but still I am showing you pen down. Repeat 5 times as there are 5 sides in pentagon. Move 100 steps as it is. Then 360 divided by 5 which is 72 degrees. I can create a pentagon. As simple as that. So now we are also going to do a little bit about events block. So you know about the green flag. When you click on the green flag, all the commands are done by the sprite. Now I'm going to teach you about when space key pressed. This is just works same as green flag click. Now every time instead of clicking the green flag click, sometimes you would have wondered what if we press any key and start a program. There is an option to do that. So if you want an action like move 100 steps, this is a simple basic one. Then if you press the space key, it moves 100 steps. So on pressing the space key, it will perform the same action as on pressing the when green flag will be moved over here. So you can also change any key over here. So if you do up arrow, if you press the up arrow, it goes over here on the keyboard. So it is all the characters and all the alphabets are given over here, and you can choose any one of them as you wish. Now coming to when this right click. You might understand this command quite easily as it is, by understanding the meaning you will know that it performs the action when the sprite is clicked. So again we will take the, now this time let us take some other one like say hello for 2 seconds. This is always wanted looks block. Though I have not told you about looks block, but still, okay. So when you click this sprite, it says hello. So it's so simple over here. When backdrop switches. Now I have selected a backdrop. Backdrop one is a plain white one over here. It is a basketball court 1A which is I have selected. When backdrop switches to basketball court 1A, so I will put something over here. Then change it to 3. You will just understand why I have written this. So we have to go to looks back and switch backdrop to this. So now you have to go to events and then vent flag. So when you click on vent flag clip and then you switch to background was basketball court 1A. And now as per the control block when backdrop switches to basketball court 1A, it will say that I want to play here for 3 seconds. So we will click on the green flag. So it is changed background and here say I want to play here. So it is simple, anyone can understand. Now I won't tell you about the loudness when I receive broadcast message and wait. I will tell you later when we will do some advanced programming once. Thank you for watching this video and please like, share and subscribe.